Alright, hello everyone. I'm Antti from Sicily, and I'm in charge of the business development and the R&D at Sicily. Basically, Sicily is a firm from Finland, a technology firm. Our story formally began spring 2010. We started out from Jyväskylä, but now we're in Espoo, Laitinen. And basically what we do is we're a service that aims to take the worries out of the internet and technology related to the internet. And worries like, it's really difficult, you know, it's annoying, you're alone with it. Things that normal people struggle with. And basically we do this for parents that have children. They want to give their children a restricted, you know, the first steps safely into the internet kind of thing. To the elderly, who demand that it just works, right? And that it's really easy to use, it's usable. We do this all open source. I'll tell you in a minute how we do it. We also have B2B stuff, but that's a little smaller. Okay, how we do it. What we bring to the table, we have a touchscreen all-in-one PC, right? Then we have the customer. We sit at the table. The customer brings their expertise on their life. They know more about it than us, right? What we bring to the table is our expertise in how to give them a configuration of that PC to fit their needs. So together we find out their needs. And then we tailor the software for them. Open source, no problem. The advantage of having a tailored system is that they know everything, they understand everything on the system. We take care of their system. They pay for the tailoring and for the PC. That's just, they pay for it once, alright? And then they subscribe to our tech support, which makes sure they have all the updates, all the stuff we work on to make it more usable. We actually do that work. We feed the information back to the open source community. It's our way of thanking them. And they pay a subscription fee for that. And that's pretty much our business model. We came out of the closet, as it were, during the Hyvä Ikä-messut in Tampere 2010. So that's basically when we came out. This is what we have with basically the elderly people. And since then, we already have 4 fully paying customers. They pay us to help us, make this better, because we're still in the pilot phase. But they've been exceptionally nice to us, and we try and give them exceptional service in return. That's basically us. Thanks for listening. Go to sicily.fi.
Just a quick question for you guys. If you're running on the open source software, do you have problems with your people? I guess Christian would agree that some people would need to use Word or something like that, or have you been happy with the Open Office and similar solutions? Or did I misunderstand something in there?
Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah. The thing is, our customer, sometimes needs Microsoft Word stuff. Alright, yeah. They do need it. And we try to provide as close a solution as possible. But these people, our customers, they need something like it. They don't need the real thing all the time.
So they've been happy with it?
They've been very happy with the open source stuff. And actually, if Microsoft or Apple or anyone gave us the freedom to tailor their stuff for our customers, no problem.
Yeah.
But they don't, so they're restrict, and we can't do it. Yeah. So that's why open source.
Yeah. So how do you want to tailor software?
Tailor?
Yeah. Like Word.
Like Word. We'd like to remove lots of stuff, but okay. We do a lot of usability testing with, for customers at least, but also many other people. That's how we
start the research.
I guess the point is that if you're doing for like the elderly, then for instance a lot of stuff in Word would be unnecessary, so delete all of that.
Yeah.
I guess that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, pretty much that, And children as well. You know, they don't need all the professional stuff. So we just take a lot of things out and restrict it.
Well, there is Office Starter, which is free, which has a limited feature.
Do we have it for Ubuntu? Yeah.
No.
That's the problem then, because the whole thing.
But we have Office Web Apps, which is for all platforms, web-based Office.
Do you have like an information package that I could?
No, but I can give you the URL if you give me your card or something.
Sure, I'll give you that after this.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, sure. Cool. Hei vaan kaikille. Minun nimi on Tomi Heiskanen ja olen Ideavire Oy:stä hallituksen puheenjohtaja. Yrityksellä on ikää jo 5 vuotta, eli ei varsinaisesti enää startup-yritys, mutta meillä on useita ideoita ja osakkuusyhtiöitä, joten näkisin edelleen tämän startup-hengen vahvana meissä. Meillä on erittäin hyvä sosiaalisen median platformi. Päätuote onkin Petsiä. Ja Petsi on, jos ette tienneet ja lukeneet tämän viikon Me naisista, se on lemmikin omistajille tarkoitettu yhteisö. Toimittaja kuvailee Facebookiksi lemmikeille, mutta minä ennemmin näkisin sellaisena harrastelehtenä, joka toimii verkossa, jonka kautta niin kun, lemmikkiharrastajat voi olla toisissa yhteydessä ja toteuttaa itteensä. Muita tuotteita, mitä meillä on, niin meillä on hoitonetti.fi ja se on yhteisöllistä terveystietoa. Lääkärit on tuottanut sisällön ja siellä sitten pystyy ihmiset ilmoittamaan, että hoitaa vaikka diabeettista ruokavaliomuutoksilla ja että miten hyvin se toimii. Ja sitten kun Googlesta tulet sinne ja katsot, että ahaa, liikunta- ja ruokavaliomuutokset toimii aika hyvin tämän hoidossa, että voisinpa kokeilla omaakin tähän sairauteen. Ja totta kai sitten on muutamia uusia ideoita tulossa, mutta niistä ei vielä mitään. Kiitos.
Joo, toi Petsi olikin itse asiassa tuttu palvelu, että kaveri käyttää sitä aika innokkaasti.
Suomen suurin lemmikkimedia.
Joo. Oliko kysymyksiä vielä Petsiälle?
Onko siinä erilaiset tämmöisiä harrastustajia mahdollisuuksia niin tällaisille koirarodun harrastajille, että käytetään toisessa sieltä tai?
Joo, siinä voi ilmoittaa oman lemmikin rodun ja sitä kautta kyllä niin kun sitten haussa pystyy löytämään muita saman koirarodun omistajia. Ja pystyy jopa, niin kun, siellä on kasvattajiakin melkein 400, että pystyy sitten hakemaan tietyn rodun kasvattajaa, jos on kiinnostunut vaikka pennunhankinnasta.
Kysymys, onko se palvelu maksujen käyttäjille vai onko se mainosrahoitteinen vai mikä siinä on se bisnesmalli?
Palvelu on käyttäjille ilmainen ja pääosin alussa oli mainosrahoitteinen. Nyt on tämän vuoden aikana muokattu mallia vähän lisää ja siellä on muun muassa tekstiviestipalveluja, että siellä voi, yksi osio on tori, missä voi myydä lemmikkitarvikkeita vanhoja, niin siellä voisi tekstiviestillä nostaa omaa ilmoitusta parempaan asemaan. Ja meillä on myös verkkokauppa.
Hello, my name is Antti Poikola. I'm from Hila Open Oy, Hila Open Limited in English. Our mission is to make the cities better places to live in, and we aim to do that by tapping the potential of the internet and web services for the public sector and mainly for the collaboration between the citizens and the city governments. And that's widely area which has not yet seen any real successes. I mean, you can have whatever personal web sites, Facebooks or applications for mobile phone, but the things for the public sector and citizen collaboration, it's still somehow lacking behind. And We have built a service called Fillarikanava, cycling channel.fi, which is simply put open feedback channel where the cyclists of the city may leave commentaries, and it goes to the city administration, and both answers and questions and answers are open. So it's said that maybe 1% of the users, they really contribute on the with questions, 10% may comment on, but still there are like 100 who reads that. So we want to bring that to openness. That's why we are called Open, Hila Open. And by starting doing this, we brought this quite simple technical platform for that, and found out that the real pain is not in the technology side. It's how you actually meet the processes of the city and the citizens. So we brought this idea from the TV world, where you have program formats, something like Big Brother or Wanna Be a Millionaire, which is successful in one place and it can be recreated in another place. It same applies to this collaborative feedback services for the cities. When you do it once well, it doesn't scale to other cities only by putting it as a web service from the cloud. You have to rebuild it for the local needs with the local people. So we offer the platform that comes with technology, but we offer also the ready-made process for building it to new city. Kind of producers. We come as the producers of the format to that city to help them. And well, that's it. We aim to have first the cycling channel, very focused in different cities, different countries around the world, and the cities, they pay for us, and if the city is not ready to pay for us, still the local cycling community may use the service, but it states clearly when the city takes the responsibility to reply and take the feedback. So you may start one in Jyväskylä, start adding your feedback, but when city of Jyväskylä is ready to take that feedback, it will become an official site. Thank you.
Juu, eli kaikkihan ovat nähneet Star Trek TNG nämä kauniit mustat kosketuspaneelit ja niiden käyttöliittymät. Ja ennen kuin saan tällaisen version omalle tietokoneelle, niin olen havainnut, että tämä puhelin makaa yleensä huomattavan käyttämättömänä siinä tietokoneen vieressä. Joten kalliin suuren valtavan paneelin sijaan voi käyttää tätä puhelimen kosketusnäyttöä tämän itse päänäytön kontrollointiin, jolloin voi siirtää yksinkertaisemmillaan tuon itse taskbarin siihen itse puhelimen näytölle, jolloin saa koko näytön sijaan, tai sitten vähän kehittyneempänä versiona tehdä tämmöisen kontekstitietoisen valikkohärvellyksen, jolla voi kontrolloida, mitä ohjelmaa kulloinkin ruudulla näyttämään. Ja halutessaan näitä puhelimia voi limata pöydälle niin monta kuin haluaa ja kaikki tekevät omaa asiansa.
Kerrotko vielä nimesi?
Jarkko Vilpunen.
Yes.
Kyllä.
Kuulosti aika hypeältä.
Ole kyllä.
My name is Antti My name is Antti Poikola. We have the service called Fillarikanava.fi, and it still, unfortunately, lacks the mobile interface for that. The idea is that when you are cycling and you spot something annoying in the cycling environment, for example, a branch that hits your face every morning when you pass under the tree, you may take photo of it and send it from your mobile phone, and it goes to the service Fillarikanava automatically. And when you come back to your office and you have nice keyboard, you can add more details about it. But important is to catch the photo on your way when you are out there. So let's see if we can do it on time.
Thank you.